Hello everyone, my name is Lightning Gamroid, and today I got this guy. This is Time Clash Medieval Warhammer. This is the last of the Action Series 10 mystery box figures I need. I bought them online somewhere for not too much actually, but here he is. I just didn't want to take any chances with opening too many boxes, only to get 5 of everyone else but him. So here he is. Anyway, as of now, this officially completes my collection to Action Series 10. There are still a few Celebrity Series 8 figures I'm still missing, like both core packs and game packs. I'm still missing 2 Imagination figures, and I also ordered the Minecraft Advent Calendar and the Roblox Advent Calendar, so I will review that. Anyway, as soon as I get the Minecraft and Roblox Advent Calendars, I won't open them up right away, because it's an Advent Calendar. I'm supposed to wait till December, open one at a time, and when I do that, I am not going to do 24 different videos. I know Gigglebox every year does a Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar and he does one video every day, but I mean, I think that's cool how he does that. But what I'm going to do is I am going to film one video a day, but then at the end compile them all into one video. But I will post on Twitter everything I get from the Advent Calendars. So anyway, the main purpose of this video is I found all 6 core packs to Action Series 10. They can all be found at GameStop. They've been releasing 2 at a time, basically. They released Star Sororities Are the Cyborg with Kingdom Simulator Berserker. We also had Dominus Legends, Ultimate Dominus Legend. Yeah, there's a sticker there. And there's also Dungeon Quest Industrial Guardian Armor. And just recently, we got Grand Crossing Royal Guard and Tower Defense Simulator Badlands Heist. Alright. So we are going to be opening all of them in this video. They've been sitting in the boxes for who knows how long. Back on my computer. Can you see it fine? We're going to start with Kingdom Simulator Berserker. I don't like when things land on my keyboard. Alright. Here's the virtual item code. We got Berserker's hood. Maybe there's a chaser figure in here. I don't even know. Okay, so this, I believe, is supposed to go on you like that. This should be raised up a bit. Oh goody, you have these. You don't have 2, do you? No, you only have 1. So here he is. Kingdom Simulator Berserker. Comes with these 2 axes. Sweet. Next up, we have Star Sororities Are the Cyborg. So here she is. Whoa. few other accessories here. Got this. Oh yeah, and the checklist. Can't forget about the checklist. This is supposed to go on your arm somewhere? I don't know. Have this ray gun and this sword. And I highly doubt anything will change on the checklist. Nope, nothing has changed on the checklist, but you can still look at it anyway. Can you find out which one of these I'm missing from the series? But you won't find anything because I'm not missing anything. But we also don't want to be missing the virtual item code. Illuminating Plasma Blade. Alright, so the next one we're going to unbox is the Dominus Legends. And it looks like it also comes with 2 interchangeable Domini, if that's what we're going to call the plural to Dominus. I mean, the plural to cactus is cacti, and I think the plural to octopus is octopi. I guess anything that's singular that ends with us, the plural ends with I. So what's next? Are we going to say that the plural of bus is bi? Anyway. Here we go. Okay. What's under your Dominus? This is the face underneath his Dominus. I guess this is a pet. Very bulky. Dual wings of the Dominus. Nice. Yeah, this is what a Dominus is. Little hood accessory with these on the bottom, wings on the back. Okay, that's a Dominus. It's a very popular Roblox accessory. If you want to see what he looks like with the other 2 Domini, here's this one. Not sure how I feel about this one. Really doesn't match. Anyway, you can have this one back. Alright. Moving on to Dungeon Quest Industrial Guardian Armor. I'm kind of glad that they have boxes that are actually easy to open. Because before, there would be something on the back that we would have to peel off and risk cutting your fingers on, which was really annoying to deal with. But they fixed it. You have boxes like this now, where you just basically rip the box open. Industrial Warrior Helmet. Here he is. Got a few more weapons. And yes, I have actually played Dungeon Quest, not a lot, so I haven't actually gotten to the Fusion Goliath yet. The dungeon with the Fusion Goliath you unlock at level 120. And the Fusion Goliath from that other set is based on basically the boss to that dungeon. And I guess these are armors that you, somewhere down along the line, unlock. So this is just an ordinary player wearing that armor. Alright, we got 2 left. 2 figures remaining. Can you guess who they are? Grand Crossing, Royal Guard. Never played Grand Crossing. Maybe I should check. Grand Crossing Royal Guard. We got more. Spear. I guess that's a spear. A shield. The Royal Guard shield, as it's called. Right here. And the helmet. Nope, this is the wrong way. There we go. Alright, we got one left. This is the last one. Tower Defense Simulator Badlands Heist. I did triple check to make sure I got all the unique ones, because I don't want to accidentally end up getting 2 of the same one and have one missing. There we go. Badlands Heist. Of course, drop it right on my keyboard. We got this thing. A money bag. 2 rifles. And finally, the withered top hat. So there we go. Let's line them all up. I'm lining them up all up so you can see them from a close angle. All right. Except you are not a core pack, so you can get out of here. These are all the core packs to Action Series 10. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did like this video, then give this video a like. But if you didn't like this video, then give it a like. And also, subscribe to my channel for more content from me. As always, guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.